How to verify your age on TikTok. First of all, let's navigate and open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines at the very top and then from the side menu, open Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings and Privacy, find and tap on Account. Next, tap on Account Information. Here, tap on Date of Birth to check your date of birth information. Tap on your birth date, and if you find that your age or birth date cannot be changed, go back to the Settings and Privacy menu and scroll down to the bottom. Here, find and open Help Center. Next, at the very bottom, tap on Chat with us. This will take you to the TikTok Sport page. Here, select the account option to check if the age verification option is available. If you do not find it, simply type "I want to verify my age" in the text bar and send it. Within a few moments, you will receive a response. Now, tap on "I want to update my birth date." After that, a new response from Sport will appear, allowing you to change your date of birth. Tap on Edit Date of Birth. On this page, select the correct date, month or year carefully without making any mistake. Once everything is set, tap on Confirm. It may ask you to confirm it again, so complete the verification process. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.